So this is a pilot that you're doing here at the moment, and it's different to what you've been doing in the parks over the last couple of years.
This initiative, which is backed by the Ireland Pollinator Plan, is kind of a more short flower meadow, which is generally cut every 6 weeks.
Managing it on a 6-weekly rotation is perfect because it keeps the grass under control, so the grass doesn't dominate, and it allows the flowers to come through.
But short flower meadows are generally for more residential areas, which will connect green infrastructure of the county together and allow better ecological and green corridors for the county, which will then work together with our hedgerows, our trees, our long flower meadows.
So allowing these areas to become species rich, I think, will be a very important stepping stone or a hotspot along the way. And it allows a little bit of biodiversity into the residential area as well. I can imagine with this pilot study, it'll be just the dandelions that are coming through, which are incredibly important for the pollinating insects early in the year. But then that'll be followed by other plants like the clovers and the bird's foot trefoils, which will carry the colour right through into the summertime. So not only will it benefit the insects, but it'll also benefit the residents. They'll see a colour change through the season.
Absolutely. Hopefully this trial is successful and that we will be able to offer local residents, if they wish, the opportunity to have these short flower meadows within their estate, and I suppose it takes the buy-in from the community in order to get that.
And I think the fact that the grass is cut and taken away every 6 weeks, I think, is a good benefit there, in that the place is still being well maintained and managed, but you are getting that benefit for biodiversity as well.
The areas here, they're framed around the short flower meadow, so it is a managed process, but it's an alternative managed process, I suppose, is the real takeaway from the conversation.
No, it'll be interesting to see how it all develops. Great.